Have you ever wondered how universities manage thousands of students, faculties, courses, fees, admission, reports, all in one system? In this series, we are going to build one ourselves, not just a basic project, a complete university management by Odoo. And this is a real ERP where the companies use around the world to build the business application. And trust me, by this end of the series, you will be a professional Odoo developer. Imagine a platform where you can build ERP system, CRM applications, e-commerce platforms, and universities and school applications. That's Odoo. You don't need to build anything from scratch. You don't need to spend months or years to build a particular project, and Odoo provides all of that. So in this series, we will be learning the complete university management by building the students management, admission management, faculty management, fee management, reports, dashboard by setting the access rights and security, and many more. So it's just as in learning Odoo. This is where you can build like a real Odoo developer. Here is what coming in this series. Odoo's installation and setup. Creating your first project, learning the Odoo architecture, the reporting, the QWeb, the security and access right, and the other advanced features with the business logic. And finally, we'll be building the complete university management. So before stepping into the development journey, ensure that you have basic knowledge of Python, basic understanding of the database, and you have the ability to learn and build something awesome. Even if you're new to Odoo, don't worry. We will learn and build everything from scratch. And you also need to ensure that you have these listed tools such as the Python, PostgreSQL, and the Odoo Community Edition, because throughout the journey, we just need to have these tools for the development. If you want to be an Odoo developer and build project that stands out in your portfolio, then this series is for you. So join me to build a complete university management from the scratch. And in next video, we'll be discussing about the Odoo installation and setup guide in step by step. And let's build something amazing. And thank you for watching the video.